In this video, we're going to learn how to use the laws of logarithms to solve equations. So we have this example, 1 plus log to base 5 of x is equal to log to base 5 of 12. So to solve this, we're going to apply two laws. The first law is when the base and the number are the same, then that log is equal to 1. So this is the one we are going to apply in the first instance. So let us apply it. So it means we can write 1 as log to base 5 of 5. Then we now write log to base 5 of x, and that's equal to log to base 5 of 12. So from here we just use the first law of logarithms. If you have log of a plus log of b, that is the same as the log of the product of the two numbers. So let us apply that in this stage. So on the left hand side we have a sum of logs, meaning we have a log of the product of the two numbers. So we have log with 5 of 5 times x, that is 5x, and that's equal to log to base 5 of 12. So the logs are the same, it means the numbers are also the same. So we have 5x being equal to 12. So if we divide both sides by 5, we're going to get that x is equal to 12 over 5.